In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an image to Claude Code CLI. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to paste an image into your Claude Code terminal session using simple clipboard actions so you can share visuals alongside your prompts. First, open your terminal. Any standard terminal app is fine. Make sure the window is active and you can see a blinking cursor where you type commands. Next, type Claude and press Enter. This launches the Claude Code CLI so you can interact with it directly from the command line. Wait for the prompt to load so you know it's ready to receive input. Let's start with the most direct method. Find the image on your computer that you want to share. Click the image once to select it, then copy it to your clipboard. You can press Ctrl+C or right-click the image and choose Copy. If you're on a different operating system, use your equivalent copy shortcut. The key point is that the image itself ends up on your clipboard, not just the file name or a path. Now switch back to your terminal, make sure the cursor is active in the Claude session, and paste with Ctrl+V. Give it a second to register. You should see an indication in the command area that an image was inserted from your clipboard. That's how you know the clipboard data made it into the session properly. There's also another convenient way to send an image. Open the image on your desktop or in your viewer so it's visible on screen. Then open your system's snipping tool and take a quick screenshot of that image. This captures exactly what you see into the clipboard as fresh image data, which is perfect for pasting. Once the screenshot is taken, return to your terminal and this time use Alt+V to paste. Not Ctrl+V, use Alt+V. This tells the terminal to paste the image data from the screenshot rather than treating it like plain text. Again, watch the command area for the visual confirmation that your image has been inserted from your computer. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep the terminal focused when you paste and wait for the image indicator to appear before you continue typing. If your keyboard layout differs, remember that Command is often the equivalent of Control and Option can map to Alt, depending on your system. And if pasting doesn't work right away, try recapturing the image so you know the clipboard holds valid image data. That's it. Two simple, dependable ways to send an image to Claude Code CLI using copy-paste or a quick screenshot.